And welcome to the Learn French Easily channel. In this video, we'll look into the pronouncing of the letters A, M when they're next to each other in a word. So let's have a look at the rules. The first rule: if letters A, M are followed by a consonant, they are pronounced en, not an but en. So this is a nasal vowel or a nasal sound. Now let's go through the examples for practicing. La chambre, le champ, la jambe, la rampe. Une ambassade, le cambrioleur, le jambon, la campagne. But watch out, there is an exception to this rule. If AM are followed by another M, in another word, if we have A and M, they are pronounced am. En anagramme, le diagramme, enflammé, notamment, notamment, le programme, la flamme, the second rule: if AM are followed by a vowel, then they're usually pronounced am. Emménager, amener, en ameublement, la famille. Examiner, amer, la camarade, en ameur. Here's one more thing to notice. If a word originates from another language, such as Latin, English, or some other, then these rules don't apply. So you can come across some exceptions to the rules, and it is usually about words having foreign origins. So, what have we got here? Condamné, a word having Latin origin. Tampa, a town in the USA. Amsterdam, a city. Steamer, a word having English origins. So we've come to the end of this lesson. I hope you find it useful. Until the next lesson, just keep on practicing. See you soon. À bientôt.